Hi friends, thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'll show you how to curve text in PowerPoint, something like this. I'll start with a blank slide over here, and all you need to do is insert text. So come up to Insert and then Text Box. I'll just place this anywhere on the slide and type in the text I want to curve, or obviously whatever your text is, and then select this. All you need to do is come up to Shape Format, Text Effects. There's lots of fun things here you can try out, but what you want is the Transform option, and then choose one of these paths here, and you'll see a little bit of a preview. I'll show you how to adjust that. Sometimes the previews don't work depending on the size of it, but let's just go with this first one here, the arch. And then you'll want to play with the sizing of this box right here to get the curve the way you want it. You can also click and hold on this yellow dot and move that, and that'll change how complete the circle is. This is another one you kind of have to play with, and it'll depend on the size of the text as well. So if you want to come up to your home and increase the size of this, let's say to 60, sometimes that won't take unless your square here is actually a little bit larger. So just click that and drag it. And then you'll see that as you drag the different corners or the handles in a little bit, that the curve will adjust as well. Now picking up this yellow dot, you'll see that adjustment's a little bit more clear. So you want to play with the text size as well as the yellow adjuster here, and then the overall box by picking up these handles to get it just the way you want it. So that's it, super simple. If you found this helpful, I'd appreciate you hitting that like button and also consider subscribing for more content like this. Thanks so much for watching.